Alright guys, well, I didn't set up a little intro for you, but we're going to get as much as we can done. More than likely, we're going to have a little two-part series on this one. We got to change the bushings on the new Bilsteins that we put in. Sebring took a toll on them. We got to do big brake kit, air ducts in the front, cut the holes in the hood so we could put air vents. New wheels. We'll have to show you those, but we got a lot going on, and we'll probably have like a little two-part going on here. E-brake. Yeah, let me get the little helper. Ethan, I need your help. Thank you. Whoops. Brother, that shit is not coming out. Holy cow. No shot. That comes out like that. Ooh. Well, the e-brake's all the way down, so I don't know. Is holding it. Whew. No shot. God, dude. Thank you. There's only another one. This one? Yeah. Is it fast? Yeah. You son of...
But now I'll fucking be your assistance again. I gotta go.
Love you. Of course, the other side comes off nice and easy. This one, man, oh, this one did not want to come out. Incredible. How well can you see that? Dark for you? Probably. Alright. It's going. Ah! Now you can see, huh? How's that? That's way better, huh? Sweet. The odds of this going back in the same way I just took that out, slim to none. You sure? Siempre. That's seen better days.
I was asking, it's supposed to look like that?
The exhaust hit the floor, by the way.
Right now?
No, it's on track.
Wow.
Like this. This is how. Fucking bouncing all over the place, that's how. What do you think about that? Oh, the other way. I gotta get these fittings. So I was on the struggle bus with this one. Changed position I don't know how many times. So obviously this isn't a direct kit. It's more of a, it all works. You gotta make it work for your application. I think if the fitting fits, we do that. Damn. This is still gonna work good. Huh? Yeah, there's somewhere where I put this isn't gonna work now. This would be perfect right there. FedEx. Well, I'm gonna see it for the first time. Who are you? Check it out. We got our other duct. Now we can do the ducts in the front. Sweet. We're waiting for that one. We only have one. Alright, so that's not gonna work. We're gonna have to do some kind of like an angle or something. This ain't gonna work. It's gonna be fun taking that off now. It's not an earthquake. I'm sorry, I keep hitting you. Sorry, you're in a box. So I figured to just cut this down and see if I can squeeze it right behind that duct. And then it actually went pretty smooth. So jumped over to the other side, start wrenching on that side and start fitting everything up. I think we blew that one out. For sure. This one's worse. It's pretty bad. Pretty bad. First day out and they got wrecked. They got wrecked. I know, I'm putting everything back on, but I don't have, I'm waiting for the bushings. And I'm waiting for some parts, like the calipers and the pads. So my suggestion, just if you're gonna be sitting there for a while and you're not gonna put it right back on, just put your bolts right back where they went. That way you don't misplace them. So. This side is almost done. We'll take this off, and then see what we gotta cut to clearance for the cooler on this side or heat exchanger on this side, and make sure we got the same spacing as we had on the passenger side, because that looked like pretty good spot there. I just got to make some kind of brackets to hold it. So hopefully here it's just as easy. We trim that up, slip it in there, we're good to go. Let's go. Check that out. We don't have to cut anything. It's perfect. Just fit it right there. We'll make this mount to go from here up to this pinch weld, and then we'll do something down here so that it sits on like rubber. Wow, so much shit in there. And then that's perfect. That'll sit there. The pump will sit here. Ready to rock. That is awesome. We don't have that bulge here that was over there, so it's pretty dope. We got something here. That'll work. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. I don't know how well it transfers there, but I'll show you closer. It's pretty much cooked. They're cracked like crazy. Look at these pads. That was just Sebring. There is nothing on there. Wow. So I think the HP pluses are just, they just last longer. I didn't really feel much of a difference. Wow, dude. These pads are cooked. Wow, we used every last bit of that. Holy God. That's pretty bad. I haven't seen the back ones, you know? Out of curiosity. The back one's got about 4 mil. These front ones were cooked. Cooked. Let's go on to the other side. Done deal, dude. There is nothing on there. Holy crap. Wait till the giraffe sees this. Let's see if we can get his reaction. I'll call him up.
Yep.
Hey, giraffe, I need you for like 2 seconds. I need your physical reaction. And then you can leave.
Alright.
Done. Wait till he sees this. Obviously this rotor, same condition. It's a pretty nasty one right here. That one goes through and through that hole. Pretty nasty one here too. It's pretty bad. You ready? You want to see driver or passenger? Doesn't really matter. That's both sides, by the way. Jesus Christ.
Why do you bubble that you have passenger?
We didn't.
Huh?
No, we didn't. I'm showing him stuff.
You said
It'll all be on camera.
It'll all be.
You said
Boombox 3. Yeah. Yeah. That's driver's side. Yeah, wait till you see passenger. They're right, it's flat, like Come on over, peeps. Oh, gotta take this off so we can go ahead and start doing everything else that we gotta do. As of right now, it is. We gotta get these guys connected with our brake ducts and get the hosing in and all that stuff. But you gotta take the bumper off to do that. And like I said before, I want to fix this because it's annoying me that it's a little sideways. Alright, so gotta get the shock towers off from the top, and then on a different day we'll start modding. I gotta get somewhere now, but we'll go ahead and graft the new ducts, the C6 ducts to here, to our C5s, and then extend them so we can put the hosing. I'll clean this up. I just gotta make the hole a little bit bigger so it slides over, and then put all the bushings on, start putting her back together. So October 25 and 26 we'll be out there. That way we could test the big brakes, make sure all that works, see how we like the new bushings on the factory plus suspension, which we already know we're probably not gonna like. But for the next season, maybe we'll try and see if we can put in some coilovers, and I'll let you know how that goes. It's all about trying to do it as much as on a budget as possible. So with LeeCParts helping us out with the pricing on that, that helped us get to brakes, because I don't think we were gonna do it. We were just gonna try and keep cooling and changing fluid and making these work, but thanks to them, we could start moving forward in our progress of getting better and jumping into SLS and trying to be a little more competitive. So let's get to it. Now that she's completely apart, now we start modding it and doing all the changes we gotta do. So I'll catch you then.